Welcome to Sachino's YouTube channel. Today we'll be discussing operations with fraction 1. So in this aspect of fraction, we'll be dealing with addition and subtraction of fractions. So let's go. Let me put that statement down. Addition and subtraction of fractions. So let's move. So if you are asked to find, let's say number one question, find the value of. Now let me write two questions down. The first one here, let's say 4 all over 9 plus 5 all over 9, then plus 7 all over 9. Oh, we can see here now that they have the same common denominator. Okay, so let's go to the next question that we are going to solve today, which is 5 all over 8 minus, let me say 3 all over 8. So we are going to tackle this question. So, but we are lucky here because they all have the same denominator. But let's move. Let me go to the next side of my board. So solution to the first question, since they have the same denominator, so the first question will be quite very easy. So let's say 4 over 9. Then here we have plus 5 all over 9. Then plus 7 all over 9. So here we're going to use the common denominator, which is actually 9. So 9 in 9, that is 9 goes in 9, we have 1. 1 times 4, we have 4. Then plus 9 goes in 9, we have 1. 1 times 5, we have 5. The same thing apply here. 9 goes in 9, we have 1. 1 times 7, we have 7. So let's move on. 4 plus 5 plus 7. Definitely we are going to have it to be 16, then over what? 9. So now let's take this improper fraction to mixed fraction. So definitely we have it to be one whole number, then 7 all over 9. Because how many 9 can you see in 16? We have 1, then remainder 7, then all over the same 9. So we are through with that one. Now let's go on to the second question for today's class. Okay, so let's say we are given 5 all over 8, then minus, then let's say 3 all over 8. Okay, so we notice here also that they have the same denominator. So let's move. So the LCM will still be 8. So 8 goes in 8, we have 1. 1 times 5, we still have the same 5. Minus 8 goes in 8, we have 1. 1 times 3, we still have the same 3. So 5 minus 3, we have it to be 2 all over 8. So what can cancel out here? I notice that something can divide. 2 goes here, 1, 2 goes in 8. We have it to be 4. So definitely the answer will definitely be 1 all over 4. And we are through with that question. Now let's try and solve the next question, number 2 question. Let's move. Okay, let's say we are given something like this. Okay, find A. We are given 3 all over 8. Then plus, actually this is 1 all over 2. And the B question again, we are asked to find 3 all over 4, then minus 2 all over 3, then plus 1 all over 2. So let's move on. Solution to this question. Let's go. So we have it to be 3 all over 8, then plus 1 all over 2. So this time around, they don't have the same denominator. So we look for the LCM or the LCD. So what's the LCM here? LCM is 8. So let's go there. So let me write all over. Let me put the LCM, which is 8. So 8 goes in 8, we have it to be 1. 1 times 3, we have it to be 3. Plus 8 goes in 2, we have it to be 4. 4 times 1, we have it to be 4. So 3 plus 4, we have it to be 7, then all over 8. And that is the solution to that question. Now let's take the second one again into consideration. So we are given 3 all over 4 minus 2 all over 3, then plus 1 all over 2. So what's the LCM here? So the LCM is definitely LCM of 4, 3, 2. So the LCM will definitely be 12. That's the LCM of this 4, 3, 2. Let's move. So the LCM is 12. Let me write my 12. So 12 goes in 4, we have 3. 3 times 3, we have 9. Minus 12 goes in 3, we have 4. 4 times 2, we have 8. So 12 goes in 2, we have 6. 6 times 1 that is on top here, we have it to be 6. Let's move. So 9 minus 8, we have it to be 1. 1 plus 6, then definitely it is 7 all over the same 12. And that is definitely the answer to that question. So now let's move on to the third question for today's class. Let's move. Yes. So number 3. So let's say we are asked to find 2 whole number 1 all over 3. This is a mixed fraction. Minus 3 whole number 1 all over 2. Then plus, and this is actually 1 whole number 1 all over 4. Okay, so we are asked to solve this question. So I will advise that we should take all these mixed numbers to improper fractions. So let's move. So solution to this. So we have it to be 3 times 2. We have it to be 6. 6 plus 1. We have it to be 7. So we have 7 all over 3. Then the next one is minus 6 times 2 times 3. We have it to be 6. 6 plus 1. We still have it to be 7 all over 2. Then the third one there, this is plus 4 times 1. We have it to be 4. Plus 1. We have it to be 5. So it's going to be 5 over 4. Let's go. So let's run the LCM. Okay. So the LCM here of 3, 2, and 4. So the LCM is actually 12 again. So let's put down the 12. Very easy question. So 12 goes in 3. We have it to be 4. 4 times 7. Then we have it to be 28. Minus 12 goes in 2. We have it to be 6. 6 times 7. Then it's going to be 42. Then plus 12 goes in 4. We have 3. 3 times 5. We have it to be 15. So in that case, 28 minus 42, then that is going to give us negative 14. Negative 14 plus 15, then we have it to be 1 all over 12. And that's definitely the answer to that question. So let's move on to the fourth question for today's class. Let's go. So let's have it like this. Let's go. Number 4. So if we are asked to find, let's say A. So we are going to solve 2 questions for number 4. 3 minus 4 over 7. Now this is quite very easy. So in this case, we can just write this as 3 all over 1, then minus 4 over 7. So we still look for the LCD or LCM, lowest common multiple or lowest common divisor. Okay, so what is the LCM here? It is 7. 7 goes in 1. We have 7. 7 times 3. We are going to have it to be 21 negative. 7 goes in 7. We have 1. 1 times 4. We have it to be 4. So 21 minus 4. We have it to be 17. Then to divide 7. Okay, so we are going to take this improper fraction to mixed fraction or mixed number. So we have it to be 2 whole number. Because how many 17? How many 7 can we see in 17? We have 2. And that is actually 14. That's 2 times 7. It is 14. Remainder 3 to make 17. So we have 3 all over what? 7. And that is definitely the perfect answer to that question. Now let's go to the 5th question for today's class. Let's move. So let's say we are given something like this. That's question 4B. Question 4B, let's say we are given 6 whole number 5 all over 12 minus 2 whole number 5 all over 8, then minus 5 whole number, 3, let me write it properly, 3 all over 4. Then this is plus 4 whole number, 1 all over 6. Wow. So when it comes to addition and subtraction, we don't need to obey the rule of BODMAS, or the one you call BEDMAS, or the one you call BIDMAS. So we don't need to obey that rule. Just start solving from the left to the right. So let's go. Let's take it everything to improper fraction. So 12 times 6, okay, we have it to be 72. Let's move. 12 times 6 is 72. 72 plus 5, we have it to be 77 divided by 12. Then negative. 8 times 2, we have it to be 16. 16 plus 5, we have it to be 21 all over 8. Then this is negative again. 4 times 5, we have it to be 20. 20 plus 3, we have it to be 23 over 4. Then this is plus 6 times 4, we have it to be 24. 24 plus 1, then we have it to be 25, then divided by 6. Okay, what continues again? Let's look for the LCM. So the LCM is actually, let's move. The LCM of 12, 8, 4, and 6 is actually 24. That's the LCM. Okay, so please practice the LCM before dealing with fractions. So 24 goes in 12. We have it to be 2. 2 times 77. Then we are going to have it to be 154. You can check it out using your calculator. Minus 24 goes in 8. We have it to be 3. 3 times 21. We are going to have it to be 63. Then negative. Okay, 24 goes in 4. We have it to be 6. 6 times 23. Then we are going to have it to be 138. Then plus 24 goes in 6. We have it to be 4. 4 times 25. And that actually will be 100. Now let's move on. 154 minus 63 minus 138 plus 100. Please, you can punch your calculator to avoid error. So we are going to have it to be 53 to divide 24. Okay, and that is actually the value. So the next thing to do is to, how many 24 can we find in 53? Okay, that will be 2. We have 2, which is now 48. Don't forget, 24 times 2, we have 48. So remainder 5 to clock 53. And that will give me 5. Let me write it properly. That will give me 5. All over than that 24. And that is definitely the answer to that question. So we have come to the end of today's class. But before we leave, I'm going to give an assignment out as usual. So let's go and write our assignment for today's class. So assignment. So I'm going to give out 3 assignments. Please make sure that you solve and give me your answer in the comment section. So let's go. These are the assignments. Simplify. We have to simplify. The first question we are given, let me say 3 whole number, 7 all over 8 plus 2 whole number, let me say 3 over 4. Okay, now the B question, I would like to see your answers. So this is 5 whole number, 3 over 4, the minus 2 whole number, 7 all over 8. Then the next thing again is, let me add 1 whole number, 1 all over 2. Then the C part of the question, okay, this one will be a bit long. We have 6 whole number, 5 over 9. Then minus 9 whole number, this is 3 over 4. Then plus 7 whole number, 1 all over 3. Okay, minus 1 whole number, then let me say 5 all over 6. So we have come to the end of today's class. So please like, share, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I can notify you anytime I drop a video. Thank you very much. We meet in the next video.